Some say removing the roof from a performance car compromises its dynamics, but when the car in question is a V12 Aston Martin Vanquish, it is hard to argue against having the wind in your hair. The 2026 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante brings open-top grand touring to a whole new level without sacrificing the power and prestige of its coupe sibling. Under the hood, you still get the same monstrous 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that cranks out 824 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. That power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. It is officially the most powerful front-engine production car available today, convertible or not. And yes, the top speed remains unchanged at 214 miles per hour. Now, because convertibles need extra structural reinforcement, the Vanquish Volante is heavier, 209 pounds more than the coupe. That added weight slightly affects acceleration, with the 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint taking 3.4 seconds versus 3.2 in the hardtop. Still, it is hard to call that a deal breaker. Aston Martin says the Volante's chassis stiffness is close to that of the coupe, and while details are light, it receives unique suspension tuning paired with Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers. Braking is handled by 6-piston carbon ceramic brakes up front and 4-piston units in the rear, with the same 21-inch Pirelli P0 tires as the coupe for maximum grip. Inside, it is nearly identical to the fixed roof version, featuring two 10.25-inch digital displays and the same luxury appointments. The only major difference is the button for the K-fold fabric roof, which lowers in 14 seconds and raises in 16. Both operations can be done while driving at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, and with the roof down, you can fully enjoy the music from the optional titanium exhaust system. Aston Martin has not shared pricing yet, but it will certainly cost more than the $434,000 coupe. Production begins in the third quarter of 2025, with fewer than 1,000 units expected to be built annually. If you are into high-powered convertibles that mix elegance with pure adrenaline, the Vanquish Volante might just be the one to watch.